Hello and welcome back. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button now. I post everything, milk tea, coffee, and a lot of other flavors and also drinks on this channel. And for 2022, I will do a lot of reviews on cafe reviews, drink reviews, and more business tips coming your way. So stay tuned and click that subscribe button. Today, it is going to be a special drink. It is going to be matcha lemonade. This time we're going to use pure lemonade using real lemons. If you don't have lemons, you can also use lime or even calamansi. So we're going to make them in 2 cups. One is 22 ounces and the other is 16 ounces. And for the ingredients, for sure, lemons. And I'm going to use my pure matcha here, 100% organic matcha, unsweetened and no milk. And we are going to use my homemade golden sugar syrup. If you haven't yet seen how to make this, check out the video tutorial above. And of course, for the lemonade, we need water. I'm going to use simply water here. And for the gadgets, we are going to use my matcha bowl here. Any bowl which has a wide rim, it's perfect for mixing your matcha. And of course, our matcha whisk, and here's a matcha stand, which is perfect to keep your matcha whisk in shape all the time. Okay, so we'll start by making our first drink, which is the 16 ounces. For this one, I have pre-cut my lemon. So you probably need about 1 whole lemon for this 16 ounces cup. So I'm going to squeeze them fresh into my cup. If you have the lemon syrup, it won't be the same. So freshly squeezed will be perfect for this. My final piece here. Oops. This is one thing you shouldn't be doing. Squeeze lemon into your eyes. Very careful this time. There you go. So this is probably about 1 ounce or 30 ml of freshly squeezed lemon. And I'm going to add 1 ounce of my golden sugar syrup, depending on the preference, how sweet you'd like it to be. Well, I'm going to put 1 ounce here. It will be probably a little bit on the sweet side. You can adjust it according to your taste preference. And then really just add 4 ounces of plain water. And you got your lemonade. Okay. And then we are going to assemble it later, so I'll just put this aside for now. And then I'm going to make my 22 ounce lemonade. And for this, I would need a little bit more, probably about 1.5 piece of lemon. I'm going to be very careful this time. This is perfect for sundowner. Well, it's nearly sundown here, as you can see outside it's starting to get dark here. I'm going to use 45 ml of my golden sugar syrup. And then add 5 ounces of plain water. Stir. So these are our lemonades. We are going to make our matcha topping. Okay, 16 ounces, I'm going to use 1 full tablespoon of my matcha powder. I'm going to add 1.5 ounce or 45 ml of water and then whisk. Start slowly so that the powder will not spatter all over the place. How do you know when to stop? So if you see a bubbly top on your matcha, that's about the right time to stop. Okay, that's beautiful, and it smells equally beautiful. And now to assemble our drink. And now to pour the matcha over. And this is our 16 ounces matcha lemonade. Okay, now let's prepare our second batch of matcha. For the 22 ounces, I am going to use 1.5 teaspoon of my pure matcha. There you go, 1.5. I'm going to use the same amount of plain water, 45 ml or 1.5 ounce. Again, start slow and then bring it up to speed. Make sure it is pure matcha that you put in here, not with the milk or even sugary or sweetened matcha. This has to be a very, very pure matcha lemonade. Okay, so there you go. We've got bubbly top there, beautiful looking matcha mix. So now let's assemble our drink. And you've got this beautifully looking matcha lemonade in 22 ounce cups. Okay, two deliciously looking matcha lemonade, 16 and 22 ounces. Well, there you go, another stunning creation from Chao. Something that you can definitely add to your menu in the new year, matcha lemonade. Who would have thought? Matcha and lemon? Well, we'll give it a try this time, and I'll tell you exactly how it is. It is so gorgeous with that separation of the yellow and the green, yellow-green, and time to give it a try. It is amazing. I'm so happy with this. It is absolutely amazing. I am a matcha lover, and I normally take it as matcha green tea latte, and not even with coffee, but this one is simply just beyond description. Perfect balance of the lemon, the sour taste of the lemon, the sweetness of the sugar syrup, and of course the bitter taste of the matcha. Wow. What hits me is that it is just so refreshing, and the taste of the matcha is still very much there. You can taste the matcha. This is absolutely amazing. So I'm not going to ruin the other one because I'd like to give it to someone else here, and it just looks so nice when presented this way. So this is something you can add to your menu, and let me know how it goes for you. As always, if you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. Once you have tried this, do let me know what you think. I am so curious about what you think because I absolutely find it so amazing. It is absolutely delicious, delightfully surprising, because to be honest, I was very skeptical. Matcha and lemon, it's just really like lemon water with matcha, but this is just a perfect combination. Don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. For those who are planning to start their own business, the books will be of great help to you, and also, of course, watching this channel. So don't forget to click that subscribe button, stay tuned, and I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.